Alright, so I'm filming this bit because I'm a little impatient and I want to see what this new part looks like. If you've read the title, like, you probably already know what it is, but so excited to plug this thing in. I'm gonna jump into the future to and we're hopefully trying to install this thing. I didn't really do a proper intro, but if you can't tell, putting the CarPlay in, so to start, take these two bolts out. Never done this before. All the guys are here, and I want to give a thank you to Matt. I want to shout out his social media when I get a second, and his Sick Ranger. One. I assume this has to come out. I assume this knob has to come out.
I don't know how to do it on a nice one like yours. Mine was just worn down enough where I could pop it right.
Well, it's because these cigarette things are held in. Like, they hold the bezel in, for the looks of it. What? Yeah, look.
No, there's like things in the back that so it's like.
So they'll come out together.
It's like this, and
yeah.
There's this piece that pushes in the middle and splits it, but that holds it.
But so it'll come out together though.
The lighter?
Yeah.
The wire in the back will come out. Enough excess wire, you pull it out, unplug it. It's like a weird connector thing, like metal.
Man, this sketches me out.
Because it's a power chain for the.
Oh, that makes it so much easier. Yeah, look, it just slides. Yeah. At least the bottom. It's for the top. There we go. Oh, ow.
I got mine to wiggle a lot.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
How'd you do that?
Backside right here. Press really hard. And then the plugs on the back, so this.
Oh yeah, I saw these. These headlights are cool. These headlights were a close second for me.
Are they different?
They're my second choice. Yeah.
Because they match your tail.
Those look similar to
These? Yeah, I guess they do.
They look like the Ranger version of mine, eh?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Man, I'm jealous.
What?
Look at the steering wheel.
Ooh.
This thing's clean. Oh.
Yeah, when you turn up your radio, just hope your car doesn't start.
What?
Wired it up wrong, turn the ignition on.
Sound works.
Oh, there's a screen thing on.
Sure.
Pretty much line it up the same way that one.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be pretty much all of it. Yeah, a little bit more. Oh, hello. I didn't even see you there, Emmett.
I like your safety glasses.
Yeah. They're in the Invisalign?
Yeah.
Well, that's promising. Almost. please. Oh my god. Oh,
So
it's
wait, what's
literally
actually-
so close.
Where is it catching on? Flip it around. Is it just because of the wire?
Oh, I didn't even see
Here,
that.
pull that wire forward.
Ah. Ah.
Okay, that's
It's in.
in, I think. I think it's just catching on
Let me
the
see the
actual-
front though. Oh, that's not in
No,
at
it's
all.
not in yet. Put them back on once they're inside. Wait, what? How do these brackets work?
Well, they
Are they supposed to be flipped
we
around
could,
to this
we
side?
could flip it around, but I don't know how the plugs are gonna work with that. The plugs.
True. Because it hits the front. Like down the sides like that.
What the?
I don't know how these brackets are supposed to work. What if we bend it? Do we have any way to do that?
Bend it which way?
Like this tab, bend it that way so it wraps around this.
Right there. Put it in there. Put the bolt right there.
No. There's nothing that holds it in.
It seems like everything we do to a truck, it just turns into a complication.
This was what I was saying
Like
earlier.
literally everything we touch gets complicated really quick.
I know. I know. That's what I was saying.
Do something with it.
No, I seriously can't.
There's a duct tape on there. What?
There we go. It's better.
Is it?
Slightly.
Straight.
I still don't think it's straight. More flush. But it just needs to be held in by something. Try it. Because they're useless anyways, if, you know. Just have to figure out a way to get it to not slide out and then it's done.
Bit of sheet metal work in my line of. Just kidding, I haven't.
Okay.
I've seen my grandfather do it.
Okay, yeah, you're qualified.
It's in like that, so it's not gonna fall forward.
Mm-hmm.
And then this might need to be trimmed. I don't know.
That doesn't, dude, that's not how it's supposed to go.
If you stick a bead of weld,
Bro.
it's right on the back, like flush. I was gonna say you could stick a screw in.
I know, I know.
But yeah, if you put a bead of weld right
Yo,
here.
not like that? Is
That's
that
fine.
Okay? Okay. So, if you take this
Yep.
and go like that,
Mm-hmm.
You might want to do one at
Yep.
a time rather than two.
there's no other way, eh?
Look at you go.
No way fits.
Goddamn. Alright, next. Try and cut it straight.
You push it through more? Or
No.
So if
We're worried
this
about
is-
it coming out.
So, if you push this there,
Yes.
this is braced, this is up against.
There you go.
Hold it tight, if you can. Oh, kind of.
Not the
Okay,
back
okay.
braced, like,
Put two. Okay, no.
Okay,
That side, that
Hold
might
it.
work.
No, let's
The
leave
other
it
side, it
alone.
wouldn't
that's how it's, okay, well,
No?
guess what? You only need one.
Nah, because these are in the way.
If you put a piece of.
So
Anyways, we fixed
adjust
it.
it.
We did this.
Well, that works.
works.
Anyways, if we do
Let's
just
try
this
the other
one
side
side, because
Hey,
this
I
the
made
other
this
side.
for using it.
Let's see the other side. How does this work?
It won't.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's in the way of the things. That's why we made this.
But yeah, that's all it is, dude. You're making it complicated than it is.
And the other one.
Dude, are you serious right now?
This will work better than the other one.
What
This is engineering. With this side, this goes
you
over
might
here.
be stuck with one bracket now.
This
Are
one
you
goes right in
stupid,
there,
Emmett?
loops around like that. Right?
And you weld it.
Well, this guy's cutting up your brackets. You should be yelling at him.
They were useless.
Oh my god, Emmett. What are you doing? What if you just...
Bend it back.
Yeah, what if you just bend it back?
That's
Psycho, I can't believe you did that.
I thought it would work.
Oh my god.
Which way?
They just didn't create
Which
the
way?
thing.
Like this.
They just didn't make the bracket.
That is my
right.
face.
That's totally what it
Like
is.
you wanted it like this.
Dude, it was made to be bent.
Like
and cut
this?
down.
It don't fit. What do you?
Oh, like that.
Like
yeah.
that? It could
Yes,
work.
yes, yes,
So you
yes,
stick
yes.
a bead of
So
weld
you-
on one side.
Emmett, I'm gonna hurt you.
How do you get it in under the? What?
No,
What do you mean?
look, you only
How do you
need
what?
one.
Look
You
at
use a
this.
screwdriver and you put it in. Oh, you're retarded.
No,
What if
for
you
the.
just stuff the rag
It
in?
look
needs
at
to be
that.
trimmed more.
No, that's good.
Oh, is it?
That's good now. Before this was up higher. Like,
It's good enough.
Can we mount it?
Sure.
Okay. So we'll do this side first.
Actually, Jordan, how's this look? Better?
Jordan's the one that knows if it's crooked or not.
Well,
That's crooked. Yeah, that's better.
okay. What if we straightened it? Can we do it the same thing? that we just did?
Yeah, we could.
Okay, straighten it. Doesn't straighten it.
Alright.
Just straighten it. As long as we can get the holes lined up.
What the?
It's gonna.
What are you doing, bro?
Oh no, see that's why it wouldn't work. I was smart. See, at least I tried. For why I had to fold it.
Just fiddle it.
You put that in,
It blocks this.
it blocks this.
Okay, this is the last piece. This is the part I was kind of dreading. There we go. Woo! Boom. And then, oh, the microphone. Right?
I mean, you could have it run up the A-pillar and then stick out right at the top, but how are you gonna get it there?
Or keep it somewhere right close to the actual.
You still have that?
So it's in now.
Yeah. Red line or nothing. No,
Red line.
Testing. Just have to figure out the mic. Like I did go for an oil change. They move my steering wheel.
You definitely do it on purpose. Like they're in the car for 4 seconds. They're like, let's move everything.
It's uncomfortable.
Let's touch absolutely
I
everything.
can't be in this
Yeah,
environment.
exactly.
Let's change the seat positions.
I don't know. That's good enough for now.
Oh, look at you, bro.
What do you mean?
You got the setup.
I've had this like this the whole time.
Yeah, airbag lights on because that's unplugged. That sucks. That thing is so clean. Sorry for the choppy filming. It's in. I don't know how to catch this up. We're all leaving now. I said bye to Matthew and his friend. I didn't even catch his name, but they were a big help. And yeah, we're all heading out now. My cameras are all dying. I was so distracted on trying to get this thing in right. That was a whole other headache. I'll just do a whole recap tomorrow. So I'll pick this up then. Yeah, the check engine light's off. Both a check engine light and an airbag light.